and the works begin. Not yet completed. But yes, just a beginning. Many more yet to come. So whatever space we have, we are trying to do the best. Thanks to my husband who is working on this and we are supporting him. So for all those people who want to plant but think that there is no space, so in small space, yes, you can grow plants and vegetable. Only you have to plan out and you have to have love for them. Thank you. Keep watching. We will come up with some new plants. And this is yet to grow. In a bigger bag. Thank you so much.